How to fix DLL error when launching the Epic Games launcher. So if you want to fix the error while launching the Epic Games launcher, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply open up your File Explorer. After opening your File Explorer, go with this PC and then go with the local disk C. Under local disk C, now you need to scroll down and then you need to find Windows. And under Windows, if you scroll down again, then here you'll have System 32. Go with System 32, and under System 32 you will have a folder named DLL. So to find that, you need to go with search under your System 32 and you can search for D3DC. And after that, here you will have the file of D3DC, and here you will have an option of 43 folder right here. So you need to find D3DCOMPILER 43 DLL and you need to shift and delete this folder. So press shift and then delete, and again go with yes, go with continue, and after continuing, after deleting, you can go back to Windows, which is right here. Go back to your Windows, and from the Windows, now you need to find syswow64 folder, which is right here. And here also in this folder, you need to go with search, and under search, you need to search for D3DC. And after searching for D3DC, here also you will have the 43 folder, so you need to delete this folder. After deleting this 43 folder, you can go back and you can open up your browser. And under your browser, you need to search for DLL files. Here you need to go with www.dllfiles.com. And here you need to go with search, and under search you need to find or search the DLL option. And here you need to search for this address, and after searching for this, then you will find your DLL files right here, and you can just simply go with download, and you need to download that DLL file with the latest update. So select the file which has the latest update and then download, and after downloading, your problem will be fixed. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.